start recording this bird. I don't know if you can really tell, but it looks like he's puking and he wants to gag after each bite he takes. Hold on, I'll show you when.
He's like, oh, I found something. Bye.
Yeah. Wait.
Bad?
Yeah, he found something, yeah. Before he looked like he was gagging, he knows he's on camera now. That's what it is. He's got to show off to the camera. Wait. Wait, no, he's got it. Yeah, we have no light that we're filming a crow. Look, is he do it? Yeah, see?
Nasty ass shit. Move.
Lisa's a narrator. Narrate, Lisa.
It's like, out of my way.
Oh, here comes the other little bird too. Dun dun dun, where the birds meet. I'm still filming the crow, but the other bird's getting kind of close. Here we go. The other bird's going to come into the picture. There's another bird way out there. There he goes. That's the bird me and Lisa were talking about earlier. The seagulls are chasing him. The seagulls are chasing him. What does that seagull have? Why is he trying to bury it in the water? Oh, there he goes. There he goes. I lost him. Hold on. Oh! Yeah, that crow said, see ya.
It's like, Jack.
That seagull's pissed. Look at that seagull. I cannot believe I just got Jack. I'm just going to stand here and look at you guys laughing at me.
It's like I've been flying for like 20 minutes with this in my mouth, and I just got Jack.
He's going to come back and attack us, Lisa. That crow straight. Look at that crow's way down there. You can't even see him anymore. I want to go on that, Lisa. I want to go on that thing out there. Where is it? There it is. There it is. I cannot film. But at least the seagull's going to hit us now. Now he's doing what the crow was doing. And that's the end of the show. Don't leave your stuff on the floor or the crow will get it.